here's a short video what to do if we want to read line by line some flat file. So drag and drop the file. Let's send it to the dash. And we are not going to extract the metadata, but select new metadata user define. Let's call it line, metadata line. And what we are going to do is just delete the delimiter from here. The delimiter between the fields and switch end of file to 2. Finish. Let's run it. And here we can see that we can read easily, line by line, any file, even the JSON or the XML file if it's really needed. And just the tip at the end, if you will switch the record delimiter to the last option, you will be able to read whatever type of the file, and it doesn't matter if it will be stored or saved on Linux, Windows, or whatever environment. That's it.